Is your Shopify store ready to explode with amazing products, but you're tired of the endless product sourcing struggle? Are you dreaming of a dropshipping business that's not just profitable, but also easy to manage? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by finding winning products, managing inventory, and dealing with suppliers, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're not just talking about importing products. We're talking about unlocking a whole new level of dropshipping efficiency and profit for your Shopify store. We're diving deep into the world of Spocket, and I'm going to show you exactly how to import their incredible products directly into your Shopify store, step by step. For those of you who might be new to dropshipping, or even new to Spocket, let me quickly paint a picture of why this combination is a game changer. Shopify, as you probably know, is the undisputed king of e-commerce platforms. It's powerful, user-friendly, and offers everything you need to build a stunning online store. But the magic really happens when you connect it with a platform like Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping marketplace that connects you with thousands of high-quality products from suppliers primarily based in the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times, better product quality, and happier customers, all crucial ingredients for a thriving dropshipping business. Unlike many other dropshipping platforms that often rely on suppliers from distant regions, Spocket's focus on Western suppliers significantly reduces shipping times, often delivering products to your customers in a matter of days rather than weeks. This is a massive advantage in today's fast-paced e-commerce landscape, where customer expectations for quick delivery are higher than ever. Think about it. No more dealing with endless product research, no more worrying about minimum order quantities, and certainly no more storing inventory. With Spocket, you simply choose the products you love, import them to your Shopify store, and when a customer makes a purchase, Spocket handles the rest, from processing the order to shipping it directly to your customer. It's dropshipping, but evolved with a focus on quality, speed, and profitability. So, if you're ready to transform your Shopify store into a dropshipping powerhouse, grab a pen and paper, or just get ready to follow along on your screen, because we're about to jump into the practical steps. First things first, you'll need a Shopify store up and running. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to set up, and Shopify offers a free trial, so you can get started without any upfront investment. Once your Shopify store is live, the next crucial step is to get your Spocket account. Head over to spocket.co and sign up. They also offer a free trial, allowing you to explore their product catalog and even import a few products before committing to a paid plan. Now, here's where the magic truly begins. Connecting your Spocket account to your Shopify store. Once you're logged into your Spocket dashboard, look for the My Store section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it and you'll see an option to connect your store. Select Shopify from the list of e-commerce platforms. Spocket will then prompt you to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure you enter it correctly. After you enter your URL, Spocket will redirect you to your Shopify admin panel to authorize the connection. Simply follow the prompts and grant Spocket the necessary permissions to access your store. This is a standard procedure for app integrations and ensures that Spocket can seamlessly push products and process orders on your behalf. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to your Spocket dashboard, and you'll see a confirmation that your Shopify store is successfully connected. Congratulations! You've just built the bridge between your product source and your online store. Now for the exciting part. Finding and importing products. On your Spocket dashboard, navigate to the Search Products section. This is where you'll spend a lot of your time, so get comfortable. Spocket's product catalog is vast and diverse, ranging from fashion and electronics to home decor and beauty products. You can browse by category, use the search bar to look for specific items, or even filter by shipping location to find products from suppliers in your target market, ensuring faster delivery times. This is a really powerful feature, especially if you're targeting customers in a specific region, as it allows you to prioritize products that can be shipped quickly and efficiently. As you browse, you'll notice that each product listing provides detailed information, including high-quality images, descriptions, estimated shipping times, and most importantly, the retail price and your Spocket price. The difference between these two is your potential profit margin, so pay close attention to this. You can also see the estimated shipping cost for each product, which is crucial for accurately calculating your total costs and setting competitive prices for your customers. Once you find a product that catches your eye and fits your niche, simply click on it to view the full product details. Take your time to review everything. The product description, the variants available, like different sizes or colors, and the supplier information. If you're happy with what you see and want to add it to your Shopify store, click the Add to Import List button. You can add as many products as you like to your import list before pushing them to your store. This allows you to curate a selection of products and make any necessary edits before they go live on your Shopify storefront. After you've added all your desired products to your import list, head over to the Import List section on your Spocket dashboard. Here, you'll see all the products you've selected. This is your chance to make any final adjustments before they appear on your Shopify store. You can edit the product titles, descriptions, and even the pricing. Spocket allows you to set your own retail prices, and you can even apply a markup percentage across all products on your import list, saving you a lot of time. This is a fantastic feature for maintaining consistent pricing strategies across your store. For example, you might decide to apply a 30% markup to all products to ensure a healthy profit margin. When editing product descriptions, I highly recommend customizing them to fit your brand voice and target audience. Don't just use the generic descriptions provided by the supplier. Add your own unique selling propositions, highlight key benefits, and even include relevant keywords to improve your search engine optimization. Remember, compelling product descriptions can significantly impact your conversion rates. You can also remove any unwanted variants or add specific tags that will help with organization on your Shopify store. Once you're satisfied with all the details, it's time for the final step, pushing the products to your Shopify store. Simply select the products you want to import and click the Push to Store button. Within a few moments, you'll see a confirmation that the products have been successfully pushed to your Shopify store. Now, go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Products, and you'll see all your newly imported Spocket products listed there. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.